In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change your Microsoft account email address. The first thing you want to do is open up an internet browser and then head over to account.microsoft.com and sign on in. You might need to two-factor verify depending on your settings, but it brings you to this page here. What you can see is my email address right now is aldojamestechtips@outlook.com, but we want to change that right now. So from here, we're going to select on your info on the left-hand side. And then once this page loads, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And we can see here it says account info under email address, aldojamestechtips@outlook.com. We're going to select on the option of edit account info on the top right-hand corner of this section. And then from here, you can see we have an account name or account usernames, and then we can try and remove this one, but as there's only one account, it won't let you delete it. So what we're going to select on is add email, and then from here, we're going to add in our new email address. So you have two options right now, is to create a new email address and add it as a username, or add an existing email address as a Microsoft account username. You want to use the first option. The second one is if you want to convert something like a Gmail into a Microsoft account, which can be a little bit confusing. So we're going to select on the first option, and I'm just going to call this aldojamestechdemo@outlook.com. And then of course I can drop down the option, and possibly depending on where you live, you can add a .com.au or a .com something else, but I'm going to keep it simple as aldojamestechdemo@outlook.com and then select on add username. So now I have the option of signing in and accessing both, but I want to transfer everything from Aldo James Tech Tips over to Aldo James Tech Demo. I can go ahead and select this and make it my primary account. And this will let me know this will be the alias that appears on all of my devices. And this is how I sign in with this alias. I can go ahead and select on yes. Awesome. So we have just changed our name. It does say you've made aldojamestechdemo@outlook.com your primary alias. It does take up to 48 hours for this to appear on all your products and your services. And some of your friends might appear offline until you sign out, or until they sign out and sign back in. But in a day or two, this will be your new primary way of signing in to your Microsoft services. Now let's talk about using and possibly removing your old username. So now you have the choice of either removing your old account or keeping it. Now, if you keep your account, people can email you at your new name or your old one. If I go ahead and select on remove, this means that any further or any future emails I get at aldojamestechtips@outlook.com, I will not get those emails anymore because I've removed them from my account. This is where you've got to make the decision if you want to completely transfer everything over to your new account, or if you want to have people that typically emailed this older email address, if you want to still be accessed by them or not. So if I select on the remove option, because it's no longer a primary account, it will say before removing this address, be completely certain you don't want to use it anywhere else. So if you're using it for things like contacts with Facebook, financial institutions, or other accounts, if you're still using it for those sorts of things, maybe you don't want to remove it. Because if you remove this alias, you won't be able to use it to send or receive email through Outlook. So the only thing that happens is the emails you've already received, they will remain in your inbox, but you won't receive any future emails to that mailbox. So just double check if you're going to remove it, if that's really what you want to do. You can, of course, always keep it as a secondary account, but this is where it's up to you. But it's that easy to change your email address in Microsoft Outlook. Of course, if you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you want to supercharge your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.